What if your 3D model could be transformed into perfect documentation views in seconds? This is the purpose of ViewsBox3D. The workflow begins by importing your 3D model into ViewsBox3D. You can upload a supported 3D file format, such as OBJ, STL, PLY, GLB, or GLTF, depending on the enabled import pipeline. Once the model is imported, it appears inside an interactive 3D workspace. Here, you can inspect the object from different angles before generating the final documentation views. This first inspection step is important because it allows you to check the model, its orientation, its scale, and its overall readiness for export. Before generating the final views, you can adjust the orientation of the model. Rotate, position, and align the object so that its front, back, side, top, and bottom views are correctly defined. You can also enter transformation values manually when more precise control is required. This step is important because the quality of the final documentation depends on the orientation of the model. If the object is not aligned correctly at this stage, the exported views may not be suitable for publication or comparison. ViewsBox3D gives you the control needed to prepare the object before export. After the model is oriented correctly, ViewsBox3D can generate the standard 6 orthographic projections. These include the front view, back view, left view, right view, top view, and bottom view. In the left panel, you can control which views are displayed and which views are hidden from the layout. If you click Reset Layout, all views will appear again. All views are movable, allowing you to arrange them freely according to your preferred layout. If you move the object inside one of the views, you do not need to realign everything manually. Simply click Refit and Align Views, and the application will restore proper alignment automatically. If needed, you can also click Reset Model Transform. This returns the object to its original position, as it was when first uploaded. This workflow helps keep the views consistent and reduces the risk of manual alignment errors. Accurate visual documentation often requires a clear scale reference. To calibrate the model, click Measurement Distance. Then select 2 points on the object where the real distance is already known. For example, if the object's height is known to be 15 centimeters, enter 15 and make sure the correct unit is selected, such as centimeters. Then click Apply Calibration. After calibration is complete, deactivate Measurement Distance. The model is now calibrated. Next, click Scale Bar. You can apply one scale bar to all views, or customize the scale bar individually for each view through the right side panel. You can also choose whether the scale bar should appear in one specific view or in all views. This makes the final output more reliable, especially for academic, archaeological, conservation, technical, or design documentation. Export the views. Once the layout and settings are ready, export the final result. ViewsBox3D can export the documentation as a single combined sheet or as separate high-quality images. The exported views can then be used for publication, archiving, illustration, teaching, design work, or technical documentation. You can also save your export settings as a template for future use. This is especially useful when you need to prepare several objects using the same visual standards. By saving export templates, you reduce repetitive work and maintain consistency across multiple projects.